Hi everybody, this is Mark with Ames Tools. Today's tool tip, we're going to talk about the corner finishers and some pre-checking that we can do before we use the tool to make sure it works before we put it on the wall. So, we have 3.5, 3, 2.5, and 2 inch sizes. The smaller the 2.5 don't have wheels. The 3 and the 3.5 have wheels. A couple things you want to check. Make sure the wheels are moving freely. Make sure they're not dirty or moving behind there. Make sure the center clip is fixed and not moving. It should be solid. We want to make sure that the frames, these are these outer pieces that move here, flex, aren't rubbing onto the casting. So we want to make sure this is moving nice and freely as we flex it. And then especially here at the top where the material can build up in there if it's dried, make sure that is moving freely, okay? Last thing I want to do is check the skids. These are the sides and the blades at the top. I just take my fingernails and put it on here, make sure it's catching. My fingernails should catch right here and right here on the corner finisher. Just some things to check before you use the tool.
To learn more about ATF tools, visit the video resource library on our website, amestools.com.